Under the Texas Rules of Civil Procedure, parties are required to provide a form of discovery known as initial disclosures. I'm going to talk about the documents that paralegals need for you to provide in order for us to complete this form of discovery. If your case is a divorce case, specifically, you will need to provide for the past 2 years all deed and lien information for any real property owned or leased by the parties, any bank statements, all statements on retirement type plans, and any statements on any type of insurance policy, whether that's health, life, etc. If child support or spousal support is at issue, you will need to provide information regarding health insurance policies for your spouse and the children, tax returns for the 2 previous years, and your 2 most recent payroll stubs. Additionally, we will need the following for all cases: any text messages, pictures, anything you might want to use as evidence in your case, and names of any witnesses that you may want to use along with their contact information and their connection with the case. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, you can find us at familytexas.com.